Our next question is from GATE 2016 Chemical Reaction Engineering for 1 mark. We have this question: the variation of the concentration CaCrCs for the 3 species isothermal homogeneous batch reactor are shown in the figure below. Select the reaction scheme that correctly represent the above plot. The numbers in the reaction scheme shown below represent the first order rate constant in unit of second inverse. First we will check the option A. You can see here in option A there is a reversible reaction with rate constant 1 and the one is irreversible reaction. A gives you S. Remember one thing, whenever there is a irreversible reaction, then our concentration will increase continuously with time, right? And if there is a reversible reaction, then it will not achieve the concentration more than S, right, for the same rate constant. Since if there is a reversible reaction, in this case, as time passes, A will make R, but R will also make again A. So there is a reversible form. Can be equilibrium. There can be equilibrium concentration that will be the maximum concentration. But for this, for irreversible reaction, there can be a possibility of 100% conversion. So it can be increases with time. So you can see here, if this option will correct, then Cr will be here in this, but Cs will be more than this Cr. So the curve of Cs should be separated, and Cr will be above the and Cs will be above the Cr curve, right? So there will be Cs curve will be like this, and Cr curve can be like this, right? So further we will check option B again. You can see here there is a reversible reaction in both cases, but there is a one thing, they have given rate constant is different. If there is a different rate constant, but this is a reversible reaction, right? If I can consider it is a more rate of reaction rate constant is large, and for this it is only 1, this is 3 times of this, right? So R will be higher, concentration of R will be higher as compared to this, right? So again Cr, again you can see here Cr curve will be above the Cs curve. Cr curve will be above the Cs curve. It cannot be the same as Cr and Cs. It cannot be the same, right? Again we will check option C. You can see here A gives you R, A gives you S. This is irreversible reaction, and again the rate constants are same. So this can be true, since rate constant is same for both and both are irreversible. So they will achieve same concentration with time. We will check option D also. Option D, they have given irreversible, but they have given for A to R is a 1 and A to S is 3 rate constant. It is 3 times. So S will be higher. In this case, S should be above the Cr curve. So from this we get option C is correct only. Option C is correct. So thank you. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.